We're picking up a loaded trailer at Ardent Mills in Denver, and in our last video you saw we discovered a little problem. So let's see what we're going to do about it. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to our channel and you like traveling with us, please do so. You can give us the thumbs up as well at any point in time. Remember that you can now buy us a coffee or liver dinner down below in the description. And if you decide to come and drive for Crete and found our videos helpful in that decision, please be so kind to remember to give them our referral code, SLOKEV. All right, now let's see how we're going to deal with this tire issue. Welcome to the Joy of Trucking. Okay, here's the TA. Let's see if we can find some parking. Last time we were here to meet Cousin Jeff, the place was pretty crazy.
I checked in with the service desk and they said we might have to wait 2 hours, but they can get us in. And I said the trailer also needs a T1, which is lubrication and a DOT inspection. So it has to be done by a licensed mechanic. And I asked if there was one on duty. She says, oh yeah, we got 3. So let's get it all done at the same time, all the trailers in there.
Okay, so we have to park it first.
We got a fuel, we got a scale, we got park, might even have time for a shower. All right?
Yeah, I don't need a shower. It just came from home time.
Well.
Okay, well. 2 hours, huh?
Yeah, we got things to do.
Yep, all right. So first we're gonna go scale the load. Right over here. Weaving our way through traffic.
You think that guy's parked on the scale? No, he's outside doing it.
He's hanging out his door.
Buttons.
Yeah.
Pushing up buttons. We got the app.
Turn left, then turn right.
That's not in a good spot.
Nope.
Walking the scale.
Oh, you're gonna drop off? No, wow, stayed right up on that little lip there. Very nice. Yeah, so if you don't have it yet, we recommend you get the CAT Scale app. Kevin spent his first many months not using the app, but then one day he decided to download it, and it does make things so much easier and faster. So here we are, location 605. We have been to location 1 in Chicago area. Those of you who watch our channel were with us because we have a video. That was a pretty momentous occasion. Did we celebrate with champagne or anything?
No.
Alright, so going on the app.
You punch in the location, then you punch in your truck number, trailer number, load number, because all that goes on the 5945. All that goes on the scale ticket. And do you accept the charge? Well, somebody's paying, not me.
The benefits of being a company driver.
Let me see if I put the tandems in the right spot.
Where did you put
It is a heavy load. I'm about 8 holes back from the full forward position.
And what is
Pretty much over the 40 foot mark from the kingpin, which you have to do for California. Oh, the drive axis got too much. I got to move the tandems forward and scale again.
And what did the
I'm
paperwork
over
say?
34,000 pounds on the drives.
What did the paperwork say for total weight?
Total 43,600. So I need to move the tandems forward to get some weight off the drives.
Okay.
And you can't do that on the scale.
That's all this stuff.
And we have to come all the way. That's my screen. The upper layer of the screen is delaminating. It's coming off. That's the folding phone, and right at the fold, it's coming apart. So you need a new phone.
But is that where the total weight should
And
be?
there's dirt under there. The total weight? What?
Does this not give you the total? Where's
Right
the total?
down here, 76,340. Maximum legal
Oh,
weight.
see, I couldn't see that because of all the dirt.
Thank you.
There it is. Okay.
So 80,000 is your maximum legal weight.
I should have done more shopping in Denver. I could have brought more shoes.
So at the service shop, she asked for my phone number before anything else. You know, so I gave her the phone number. She says, "Oh, is this your truck number?" And I said, "No,
Turn right,
that was my last truck." So they have us in the system.
That beeping is really annoying.
It's gonna mess up a lot of videos, I'll tell you.
Yeah, and we did have viewers complain about the beeping that you had to have going when we were on the side of the road with the officer in Arkansas. It's a company policy to keep the flashers on at that point for safety reasons. So we're sorry. We're sorry that sometimes there's strange flasher sounds and beeping sounds, and you know, it's part of trucking. Okay, here we are.
turn right.
Back to the scales after
Why is that
Kevin
bus
adjusted
backwards?
the tandems. Yankee line, that's funny.
Why is he parked backwards?
The Yankee line.
Fuel lane.
Through
The wrong way.
Turn left, then turn right.
And it moved like 1,000 pounds. Less than
Moving
1,000.
4 holes moved it 1,000 pounds.
Less than 1,000 pounds.
Okay, Kevin just can't get enough of the scale today, so he filled up with fuel, and now here we are again.
So I moved it up 2 holes and put in a bunch of fuel, and the drive axle's still the same. There's less on the trailer now.
Well, Kevin got tired of waiting at the TA, so he called in again, and we were told to come over here to the Southern Tire Mart and receive pretty quick and good service. Like we're heading into an airplane or something. Wow. Isn't this something? Ooh-wee. Well, do we have a story for you? It's now 4 o'clock. And we're just now on I-70 looking to head up into the mountains out of Denver. We started our day with a voided trip that we had actually been pretty excited about. Then we picked up at Arden Mills and the trailer had a flat, so we went over to TA and waited 4 hours. And then Kevin called CRETE again and they organized what we thought was a mobile, but then it was actually a tire shop right around the corner. And now we still haven't had the phone call from TA for us to come into the bay. What time did we arrive at TA?
Just after 10 a.m.
Yeah.
So 6 hours later, they still haven't got a bay for us.
Yeah. And they had told you like 2 hours.
Yeah, only 2
Yeah.
hours.
So, very disappointing. And it's my first day back out. And Kevin's made about, let's see, we've been up since, he's been up since what, 6? We took it a little easy because we thought we had a live load at 8 a.m.
No, it wasn't live load.
Oh, it was a pickup at 8 a.m. Sorry. Pickup at 8
The
a.m.
pickup window was 10 a.m. till noon, but I thought we'd
No,
go.
it was 8. You had told
I
me
thought
8.
we'd go get fuel at 8, get some coffee, get organized, show up at 9, and hopefully it would be ready. But then they took the load away saying it's not going to be ready. So sorry, but we don't have that trailer ready and it won't be a while yet. But I mean, I'll bet it's ready now.
I bet it's been ready.
Bet it's been ready for hours.
And how many miles have you gotten under your belt today, hon?
Oh, 15.
Woo! Woohoo! Roll it in the muddy. Hey, there's the Denver Coliseum. That's cool.
It says Alpaca, March 17th.
Mm-hmm.
What?
Alpaca Owners Association.
Alpaca Owners Association.
That'll be fun. We've stayed at an alpaca farm. All right, and there is downtown Denver. Thanks, honey. That's very nice tour guiding there. I like how you pointed at that. Very nice. Ta-da! No, both hands on the wheel, please. Ta-da! Okay, and here's the sign for Grand Junction. That's where
our next turn is in 500 miles.
Yep, that beeping from the malfunction is gonna get really annoying pretty quickly. So, enjoy the music, and we hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Put your comments and questions below. What did you think of this tire repair situation and how long it all took? Has that happened to you before? Let us know. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet and you like traveling with us, please do so. Also, hit the notification bell, and we hope you have a great day. With love, from Kevin and Tanya. Now let's head up into those mountains. See you in the next video.